21572 Southwest Peach Blossom Street in Dunnellon, Florida. Welcome to your new home. So glad to have you come check out this beautiful property. This is a very unique opportunity in Dunnellon, Florida. I'll tell you a bit about it while you walk around. So the house itself is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It has been updated with new flooring throughout. So it's move-in ready, freshly painted inside and out. You see you've got a nice living room area with dining room as well. So a nice open area here, as well as a nice foyer. The home has had updates such as the HVAC and the water heater are only a few years old, so you're all set there. And when you're done touring the house, I want to take you outside because we have a really great setup outside with this property. So we'll talk more about that. So while we're looking, I'll tell you a bit about the community, because Rainbow Lake Estates is a really nice community that there are not any deed restrictions or HOA fees, but you do have some nice amenities. There are 3 lakes that you can enjoy here in the community. There is a boat launch that you'll be able to access if you have a boat or you want to do some kayaking and go out on the lakes or fishing. And in addition to that, there's a community center. They have a calendar of activities and clubs. There's a youth center and there's a fitness center. There's also a very nice park that has courts for playing basketball, playground, walking trail, a lot of very nice activities that you can do at the park. So this community offers you a lot to enjoy, and you don't have the fees. So we are headed down the guest wing of the house. This hallway leads to the 2 guest bedrooms. As you can see, we've got a nice privacy fence out there between the houses. This is a large double lot. It totals 1.25 acres. And that's where I want to take you in the back and show you how beautifully this property is set up. So 2 nice sized bedrooms with the laminate floors, and then we have a guest bathroom with a tub shower combo and access to the screened porch. So if you did ever decide to add a pool to this house, that bathroom is set up perfectly so that you would have indoor-outdoor access for the pool. And if you don't have a pool, it's still nice to have a bathroom that you can just go right in after doing work in the yard or tinkering in the shop and get yourself cleaned up before running in the house. So look at this beautiful yard. We've got a nice setup with landscaping. You've got a garden ready to go if you want to have a more sustainable lifestyle. And then of course a nice shed for storing the outdoor equipment and this huge metal workshop. Now, you're probably noticing that there is a dirt road that goes all the way to the road in the back. I believe that's Southwest Marine Boulevard. And that is your back access to the back of your property. So this workshop is set up very nicely with a door here. Look at the space. We've got electric out here, 220 service. So you can do anything you need to do in this space, and I mean, let your imagination run wild. A nice roll-up door. These doors are very easy to operate. So as you can see, there's room to get that truck, a good-sized truck, into that workshop. This access, this road, makes for such great access because, as you can see, if you've got a boat, you're going to pull down this back road and park it behind the house out of sight. If you have an RV, same thing. Very easy to pull that RV onto the property. And then look at all this privacy. Since this is your lot, you can clear it more if you wanted to, or you keep it very private like you see it now. So there you have it. This is a fantastic option in Dunnellon, Rainbow Lakes Estates. Dunnellon is centrally located, so you have very quick access to all of the things that you want to utilize, like the grocery stores and the restaurants and entertainment. So if you're looking for something like this, I would tell you, you need to call me immediately. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We're not the same. Give us a call, 352-794-1426. We are with Keller Williams Realty, and we're your realtors on demand. Talk to you soon.